Welcome back to our channel, Business by World. Do subscribe our channel for more videos. Today, we are going to explore what has made the United Arab Emirates, specifically Dubai, one of the richest countries in the world. We will delve into the factors contributing to its economic success, examine the impressive GDP growth, and learn about the government structure that runs Dubai. So, let's dive right in. Factors behind Dubai's prosperity. Before we discuss the GDP growth and government structure, let's understand the key factors that have propelled Dubai's remarkable economic success. Dubai's prosperity can be attributed to several factors. 1. Strategic location. Dubai's strategic geographic location plays a significant role. Situated at the crossroads between Asia, Europe, and Africa, Dubai has transformed itself into a global hub for trade and transportation. 2. Diversification efforts. The UAE, including Dubai, has actively pursued economic diversification. Recognizing the potential risks associated with relying solely on oil, the government has invested heavily in various sectors such as tourism, real estate, finance, logistics, and renewable energy. 3. Infrastructure development. Dubai has invested heavily in world-class infrastructure projects. Iconic landmarks like the Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, and Dubai Marina have attracted global attention and boosted the tourism industry. GDP growth of Dubai. Now, let's shift our focus to the impressive GDP growth of Dubai. Over the years, Dubai has experienced rapid economic expansion, contributing significantly to the UAE's overall GDP. 1. Diversified economy. Dubai's efforts to diversify its economy have yielded remarkable results. The Emirate has successfully reduced its dependence on oil, with non-oil sectors now accounting for the majority of its GDP. This diversification has contributed to sustained economic growth. 2. Thriving tourism industry. Dubai's tourism sector has played a vital role in driving economic growth. With its luxurious resorts, shopping malls, and world-class entertainment options, Dubai has become a global tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. 3. Trade and business hub. Dubai's strategic location has made it a key player in international trade. The city's free trade zones, tax incentives, and business-friendly policies have attracted numerous multinational companies, fostering a thriving business environment and contributing to the GDP growth. Dubai government structure. Now, let's uncover the governmental structure that runs Dubai. 1. Federal system. The United Arab Emirates follows a federal system, with power divided between the federal government and individual emirates. Each emirate, including Dubai, has its own ruler and local government, operating under the broader framework of the federal government. 2. Supreme Council of Rulers. The UAE is governed by a Supreme Council of Rulers, consisting of the rulers of each emirate. The council elects the president and vice president of the UAE. 3. Ruler of Dubai. Dubai's government is headed by the ruler, who serves as the Prime Minister of the UAE. The current ruler of Dubai is His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. 4. Dubai Executive Council. The Dubai Executive Council, led by the ruler, is the highest governing body in Dubai. It formulates policies, oversees the Emirates' development, and ensures coordination among various government entities. 5. Government departments. Dubai has various government departments responsible for different sectors, such as finance, economy, tourism, and infrastructure. These departments work together to implement the government's vision for Dubai's growth and development. Conclusion. Dubai's transformation into one of the richest countries in the world has been driven by its strategic location, economic diversification, and world-class infrastructure. Let's wrap this video now and do comment below if you like the information. See you next time.